Have you ever wondered why China is known as the world's factory? In just a few decades, China has risen to the top across a wide range of global industries. From advanced technology to world-class manufacturing processes, the country is not only reshaping the market landscape, but also defining the future of many industries worldwide. Join Top 10 Discoveries Official as we explore the top 10 high-level manufacturing processes that China is implementing to shape the global industrial landscape. Lithium-ion batteries play a critical role in the development of industries such as electric vehicles, renewable energy storage, and electronics. The lithium battery manufacturing process in China is not only highly automated, but also integrates artificial intelligence AI to inspect quality and performance, enhancing efficiency and minimizing production errors. The process begins with the creation of battery cells, which include key components like cathodes, anodes, and electrolytes. These cells undergo extremely precise manufacturing stages to ensure the battery can store and release energy effectively. After completion, the batteries undergo rigorous quality testing, including safety checks and performance evaluations in extreme conditions. China currently dominates the global lithium-ion battery market, with a market share of 76% in 2024. China's lithium-ion battery production reached over 1,170 GWh in 2024, marking a 28.6% increase compared to the previous year. This significant progress solidifies China's position as a key producer of lithium-ion batteries. CATL, China's leading battery manufacturer, holds the global market leadership with a 38.1% share between January and April 2025, proving China's strength and excellence in this field. In particular, China not only maintains its position in lithium-ion battery production, but also leads in the research and development of new types of batteries, such as sodium-ion and lithium-sulfur batteries. These new technologies not only help reduce production costs, but also increase battery lifespan, meeting the growing demand for renewable energy and electric vehicles. China also dominates the production of LFP lithium iron phosphate batteries, accounting for over 98% of global output, which reduces costs and extends the lifespan of electric vehicles, making China the leader in producing batteries for electric vehicles and clean energy projects. With over 3/4 of the world's total lithium-ion battery production in 2024, China plays a key role in advancing renewable energy infrastructures, including solar and wind energy. This development enables China to surpass the United States in transitioning to a green and sustainable economy, while continuing to lead the global push for electric vehicle production and renewable energy projects. The manufacturing process of electric vehicles (EVs) in China has been strongly optimized with a combination of automation and advanced technology. The process begins at the design stage, where Chinese EV companies use simulation tools and AI to optimize factors like performance, weight, and vehicle operation capabilities. China stands out for its ability to develop new models in a short period of just 18 to 24 months, significantly faster than Western competitors, who typically take 3 to 4 years to complete a new model. With this innovation, China has been and is set to produce more than 70% of the world's electric vehicles in 2024. In the first half of 2025, passenger vehicle sales in China reached 10.89 million units, an increase of 10.7% compared to the previous year. This figure reflects the rapid growth of the EV industry in the country, catering not only to domestic demand, but also targeting international markets. The EV production process in China involves key steps such as electric motor assembly, lithium-ion battery production, and integration of electronic systems. China is leading the world in lithium-ion battery production, especially LFP lithium iron phosphate batteries, with over 98% of global output, which helps reduce manufacturing costs and extend battery life. Chinese electric vehicles use this technology, combined with smart energy management systems, to optimize vehicle performance throughout the journey. A major difference between Chinese EVs and their Western counterparts is the integration of advanced self-driving technology. Companies like NIO and Speng have equipped their models with Level 2 and Level 3 self-driving technology, allowing vehicles to automatically adjust speed, stay in lane, and assist drivers in complex traffic situations. This self-driving system is integrated with over-the-air OTA software updates, continuously improving vehicle features without needing to take the vehicle to a service center. The development of EV charging infrastructure in China is also a crucial factor driving the transition to electric vehicles. China currently boasts one of the largest charging station networks in the world, with millions of charging stations installed across the country. This not only promotes the growth of electric vehicles within China, but also supports EV infrastructure projects in other countries, particularly in Southeast Asia and developing regions. With significant investment in technology and infrastructure, China is emerging as the world's largest center for electric vehicle production and innovation. Not only does China dominate the domestic market, but it is also exporting EVs to major markets such as the United States and Europe, where brands like BYD and NIO are expanding their presence. This helps China surpass Western competitors in promoting the green transition and providing global clean energy solutions. With this robust growth, China not only maintains its leading position in electric vehicle manufacturing, but also continues to drive the global electric vehicle industry, contributing to the global shift toward a more sustainable and greener future. China is currently the world leader in solar panel manufacturing, accounting for over 80% of global module production capacity. The solar panel manufacturing process in China begins with the production of silicon, followed by the assembly of photovoltaic modules with high automation. The panels are made using automated laser technology that helps cut and assemble photovoltaic elements quickly and efficiently, improving production performance. These steps help reduce costs, speed up production, and ensure the quality and durability of the panels. One of the key factors that makes China stand out in the solar panel manufacturing industry is its ability to apply AI in the testing and performance evaluation of the modules. AI systems help monitor the panel's performance in real time, ensuring that the modules are produced with maximum efficiency and are capable of performing optimally under various lighting conditions. This helps optimize the conversion of solar energy into electricity, with efficiencies reaching 25 to 30%, far surpassing competitors around the world. In 2024, China accounted for 55% of the global market share in solar panel manufacturing and is expected to install between 215 to 255 gigawatts of new capacity in 2025. China is currently the world's largest installer of solar panels, surpassing the United States and other developed countries in both scale and speed in deploying renewable energy projects. China has also started developing advanced solar panels made from perovskite materials, which deliver efficiencies exceeding 30%. This technology significantly reduces manufacturing costs, with prices dropping below 0.1 USD per watt, thereby expanding access to solar energy for developing countries. Perovskite technology not only lowers costs, but also improves performance and flexibility in solar energy applications, creating a huge opportunity to drive global renewable energy deployment. China's global influence in the solar panel manufacturing industry is evident. China produces more than 80% of the key components for the global solar energy industry, playing a critical role in reducing renewable energy costs and driving sustainable development initiatives. Chinese-made panels have been exported to numerous countries, contributing to the development of renewable energy infrastructure in European, Asian, and American markets. With this outstanding growth, China is not only the largest manufacturer of solar panels, but also a driving force for the global renewable energy industry. Along with new technological initiatives, China continues to solidify its position as a leader in providing clean and sustainable energy solutions. Thanks to the combination of advanced technology, large-scale production, and exceptional automation capabilities, China is currently leading the LED chip manufacturing industry. The process of making LED chips in China starts with the use of MOCVD, metal organic chemical vapor deposition technology, a modern method that allows for the creation of ultra-thin semiconductor layers with extreme precision. These layers are then processed to form compact, efficient LED chips with outstanding brightness. This technology helps reduce production costs while enhancing the quality of the final product. One of the key factors that helps China maintain its leadership in LED chip manufacturing is its ability to implement high levels of automation in the production process. Chinese LED chip production lines are equipped with automatic quality inspection systems that use AI, helping optimize the performance of the chips and ensuring they meet the highest quality standards. This inspection system evaluates the brightness and lifespan of the products, detecting and addressing any defects early before the products are shipped. Not stopping at conventional LED chip manufacturing technology, China also leads in the development of specialized LED products, such as UV LEDs. UV LED lights not only provide illumination, but also can disinfect the air and surfaces, helping save more than 50% of energy compared to traditional lighting. With their energy-saving features and diverse applications, UV LEDs are being used in fields ranging from healthcare and education to public infrastructure projects. According to forecasts, the global LED lighting market will reach a value of $7.47 billion USD by 2025. With China continuing to dominate the industry, the ongoing innovation of Chinese LED manufacturers, especially in the application of smart LED technology, has created lighting products that can automatically adjust brightness and color according to the environment and usage needs. This is a growing trend in smart buildings, where energy efficiency and convenience are crucial factors. In addition to meeting domestic demand, China is also the largest exporter of LED components to global markets. Chinese LED products are widely used in public lighting projects, smart home systems, and consumer electronics. With large-scale production and cost efficiency, Chinese companies continue to assert their significant role in the development of sustainable lighting infrastructure worldwide. With continuous advancements in technology and creativity in applications, China is not only dominant in production, but also leading in energy-efficient lighting solutions. The development of the LED chip industry in China has not only driven innovation in the lighting industry, but also played a crucial role in building a sustainable and environmentally friendly future. Metal 3D printing technology is transforming the production of complex parts in various industries. From aerospace to healthcare, China has emerged as one of the world leaders in this field, thanks to its ability to apply advanced metal 3D printing technology. The production process starts with the use of multi-beam laser technology to melt metal, forming parts from metal powder or thin metal sheets. By applying modern technologies such as AI, China is able to control the precision of each part and minimize material waste throughout the manufacturing process. China is currently one of the largest markets in the world for metal 3D printing, with an annual growth rate of 19.8%, expected to reach $12.04 billion USD by 2025. This reflects the rapid development of this technology in China, enabling the country not only to dominate in scale, but also to excel in creativity and manufacturing. While global competitors face challenges related to cost and production time, China has successfully optimized the 3D printing process to reduce costs and save time, producing high-strength metal parts with excellent load-bearing capacity. The aerospace and healthcare sectors are two of the industries where China's metal 3D printing technology is having a significant impact. In the aerospace industry, engine parts and aircraft components are precisely and rapidly fabricated using this technology. Chinese aerospace companies have adopted metal 3D printing to create complex parts that cannot be manufactured using traditional methods, reducing weight and enhancing aircraft performance. In the healthcare sector, this technology helps produce highly accurate implants that are tailored to the human body, improving treatment effectiveness and minimizing risks. What sets China's metal 3D printing technology apart is its ability to minimize material waste and production costs. Using laser technology to create complex parts significantly reduces the amount of excess material and manufacturing time. AI technology also optimizes the production process, minimizing errors and improving the quality of the final product. With these improvements, China is creating products that are not only cost-effective, but also of exceptional quality. China is not only meeting domestic demand, but also exporting metal 3D printing technology to other countries, assisting international partners in developing high-tech products. Chinese companies have collaborated with many nations to provide 3D printing solutions in industries such as aerospace, healthcare, and automotive, helping drive global technological innovation. With rapid growth and superior manufacturing capabilities, China continues to strengthen its position in metal 3D printing technology and remains at the forefront in providing advanced manufacturing solutions to the world. China's industrial robot industry is experiencing strong growth and plays a crucial role in driving the automation of production processes. China is currently the world's largest producer and user of industrial robots. Thanks to significant investments in technology and automated production systems, the manufacturing process of industrial robots starts with designing mechanical and electronic components, followed by the assembly of these parts into complete robot modules. These robots are then programmed to perform complex tasks such as assembly, quality inspection, and product labeling, which helps increase productivity and minimize errors in the production process. One of the highlights of industrial robot manufacturing in China is the use of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning to enhance automation capabilities. Chinese industrial robots not only perform simple tasks, but also have the ability to learn and optimize tasks throughout the production process. This helps improve production efficiency, reduce human intervention, and increase precision in assembling products. Chinese robot manufacturers like DJI and Xiaosun are leading the development of robots that can learn, adjust behavior based on input data, and improve production processes. With a growth rate of 35.6% in the first half of 2025, China accounts for over 50% of the global industrial robot output. This is a clear indication of the impressive growth of this industry. Industrial robots in China are widely used in sectors such as automotive, electronics, food, and pharmaceuticals, where production lines require high precision and large productivity. This not only helps reduce labor costs, but also enhances companies' competitiveness in international markets. What sets Chinese industrial robots apart from those in other countries is their creativity and design. China has successfully developed humanoid robots capable of performing complex tasks with high flexibility, similar to humans. These robots can work in confined spaces, handle various materials, and address unexpected situations during production. This provides a significant advantage for industries that require flexibility and creativity in their production processes. The development of the industrial robot industry not only contributes to innovation in manufacturing, but also has a profound impact on the global economy. China is leading the way in applying robots to manufacturing sectors not only domestically, but also in international markets. This technology not only drives industry growth, but also promotes the shift toward more sustainable and efficient production. China is expanding its influence not only in robot manufacturing, but also in providing global automation solutions, reinforcing its leadership in advanced technology and manufacturing. In recent years, China has become one of the leading countries in the pharmaceutical industry, not only in terms of production scale, but also in developing biotechnology and modern manufacturing methods. The pharmaceutical manufacturing process in China is a closed-loop chain, from research and development, R&D, to production and quality control, ensuring sustainable and efficient development in providing high-quality healthcare products. Chinese pharmaceutical companies, such as Sinovac, Sinopharm, and various biotech companies, are increasingly establishing their presence in the international market. The production process begins with the development of drug formulas, including generic drugs, therapeutic drugs, and biopharmaceutical products. China focuses on developing new drugs through advanced biotechnology, such as CRISPR, to create modern treatments for complex diseases, including cancer, cardiovascular diseases, and infectious diseases. CRISPR technology allows for gene editing and the development of more effective treatments, reducing side effects and improving precision in treatment. After the research phase, the process moves to manufacturing drugs, where each stage is strictly controlled. Pharmaceutical factories in China use automation systems and advanced technology to produce drugs according to global standards. From drug formulation, packaging, to quality control, every step is carefully monitored. Throughout this process, technologies like AI data analysis and machine learning are applied to track product quality, predict potential errors, and optimize the manufacturing process. AI technology, in particular, plays a vital role in developing new therapies. AI systems can analyze large amounts of medical data to identify potential drug candidates and improve the drug development speed. This technology not only shortens research time, but also reduces costs and increases the success rate of pharmaceutical studies. China is currently leading the application of AI in drug development, especially in vaccine research projects and biopharmaceutical therapies. In 2025, China is expected to account for approximately 32% of the global biotechnology industry's deal value, a figure that showcases its dominance in this field. Major Chinese pharmaceutical companies are not only producing drugs for the domestic market, but are also supplying pharmaceutical products to many countries around the world. Notably, China has successfully produced vaccines and treatments for infectious diseases, such as the COVID-19 vaccine, and is exporting these products globally, contributing to the reduction of the pandemic and improving public health. China is also rapidly advancing in the production of biopharmaceuticals, injectables, and high-value-added healthcare products. Companies like WuXi AppTec and Huawei Biotech are investing in biopharmaceutical manufacturing methods and providing advanced pharmaceutical solutions, catering to both domestic and global markets. With strong investments in research, biotechnology, and modern manufacturing processes, China not only solidifies its leading role in the pharmaceutical industry, but also drives innovation in the global healthcare and medical sectors. The combination of modern technology and large-scale production processes enables China to continue developing high-quality pharmaceutical products, addressing the growing healthcare and treatment needs worldwide. China is not only a powerhouse in footwear production, but also leads in optimizing, innovating, and advancing manufacturing processes. The footwear production process in China begins with designing and selecting the right materials. Designers use CAD software to create shoe prototypes, ensuring the product achieves a perfect balance between aesthetics and user comfort. New technologies also enhance product quality and increase competitiveness. Notably, the use of 3D printing technology has brought significant breakthroughs in production, from designing the smallest details to larger components like shoe soles. Once the design phase is complete, the production process moves into cutting, sewing, and crafting the components. Footwear factories in China use automated production lines for precise processing, cutting, and shaping, minimizing production time and material waste. Robotic technology is widely applied in sole attachment and sewing shoe details, improving precision and uniformity in the final product. China is also a pioneer in utilizing 3D printing technology to create shoe sole prototypes, saving material and production time. A special factor that distinguishes China's footwear manufacturing is the application of the no-glue assembly method. This technique improves the durability and flexibility of the shoes while reducing environmental impact by using less adhesive. Additionally, this method accelerates production by up to 25%, reducing costs and improving efficiency. With an estimated revenue of $96.86 billion in 2025, China continues to dominate the global footwear manufacturing industry. Renowned footwear brands like Nike, Adidas, and Puma have production lines in China, leveraging abundant resources and low costs. China now holds about 60% of the global footwear export market share, a testament to the remarkable development of this industry. In addition to boosting athletic footwear production, China is focusing on developing smart footwear lines, integrating sensor technology and features like temperature control and automatic energy charging. These innovations not only enhance the user experience, but also help Chinese footwear products remain highly competitive in international markets. With its strong, creative, and technology-driven development strategy, China is asserting its role as the world's largest footwear manufacturer, not only meeting domestic demand, but also exporting footwear to global markets. China is expanding its influence in this industry while contributing to the development of a green and sustainable economy. When it comes to commercial television manufacturing, China has become a standout in integrating advanced technology with massive production scale. With the development of display technologies such as Mini LED and OLED, television manufacturers in China are seizing a significant opportunity to lead in providing high-quality screen products with exceptional image performance. What sets the television manufacturing process in China apart is the combination of the latest display technologies and the automation capabilities at each stage of production. From designing the display panels to assembling the sound systems, China has adopted highly automated production lines, helping to optimize processes and minimize errors. Notably, Mini LED and OLED televisions are produced with superior precision, delivering sharp images, high brightness, and outstanding color reproduction. The creativity in the production process extends beyond image technology to include added features. Chinese smart TVs are not only entertainment products, but also integrate numerous convenient features like internet connectivity, built-in applications, and voice control. This is a key factor that helps Chinese products easily capture the attention of consumers, both domestically and in international markets. While other countries still struggle with older display technologies, China is ready to heavily invest in the production of mini LED and OLED displays at more affordable prices. Mini LED technology, for example, enables sharper images and stronger contrast, suitable for all lighting conditions. These televisions are becoming the preferred choice for large projects such as public lighting and entertainment areas in modern cities. By 2025, China is forecasted to account for 72% of the global LCD TV market share, with mini LED TV shipments expected to increase by 159% in the first quarter of 2025. This is a clear sign of the strong development of China's TV industry, with rising demand both domestically and internationally. In addition to producing for the domestic market, China has been expanding its TV exports to many countries, especially demanding markets such as the United States and Europe. With quality comparable to major brands like Samsung and LG, Chinese TV brands like Hisense and TCL have begun to dominate the high-end TV space. The television manufacturing industry in China continues to rise thanks to continuous innovation and the ability to keep up with technology trends. From advanced image technologies like mini LED and OLED to smart TVs and user experience optimized features, China is making significant breakthroughs, not only providing high-quality television products, but also shaping the future of the global entertainment industry. In the era of modern technology, electronic components play a vital role in every smart device, from mobile phones and computers to household products. China has established itself as the world's leading producer of electronic components, particularly in the manufacturing of semiconductors, printed circuit boards, PCBs, and sensors. The production process of electronic components in China starts with the fabrication of printed circuit boards and semiconductor microchips, utilizing ultra-thin circuit manufacturing technology with extremely high precision. These components are then assembled, tested, and packaged to meet strict quality standards. Chinese companies producing electronic components use advanced technologies such as 3D printing and automation to manufacture microchip parts. This helps optimize the production process, reduce errors, and enhance efficiency. Semiconductor chips and PCBs are produced with precision up to 99.9%, ensuring that these components function stably in electronic devices and high-tech systems. China currently accounts for over 50% of the global electronic component output, and the country's EMS electronic manufacturing services market is expected to reach a value of $100 billion by 2035. Companies like Foxconn, Huawei, and SMX Semiconductor Manufacturing International Corporation are major players in the industry, supplying components to leading electronics manufacturers such as Apple, Samsung, and Sony. This not only helps China maintain dominance in component production, but also creates a significant impact on the global electronic component supply chain. A highlight of China's electronic component manufacturing process is the combination of modern technology and massive production scale. China has built large electronic component factories with the capacity to produce millions of printed circuit boards daily, supplying electronics manufacturers worldwide. Chinese companies are not only focused on production, but are also researching and developing new technologies, such as domestic 7nm chips and semiconductor solutions for 5G and AI devices. These advanced technologies help improve the performance and competitiveness of Chinese electronic products. Additionally, China is working towards self-sufficiency in basic components, aiming to achieve 70% self-sufficiency by 2025 under the Made in China 2025 strategy. This helps China not only reduce reliance on international component suppliers, but also create a stable supply for the domestic electronics industry. With continuous innovation and advancements in manufacturing technology, China not only maintains dominance in the electronic component production, but also contributes to the development of high-tech industries globally. China is not just producing high-quality components, but is also shaping the future of the electronics industry by pushing the development of next-generation component technologies. China, with its strategic vision and relentless innovation, has succeeded in building a manufacturing system that not only relies on scale, but also seamlessly integrates advanced technologies and the power of automation. This not only helps China maintain its position as the world's factory, but also allows it to dominate key industries, from electric vehicle production to sophisticated electronic components. This development raises a big question about the future. Will other countries be able to catch up with and surpass China's sustainable development model? Or will China create a new industrial standard that other nations will face economic challenges in reshaping their global manufacturing strategies? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit subscribe to stay updated with the latest insights on technology, national strategies, and innovations shaping the future. Top 10 Discoveries Official will return with untold stories, groundbreaking projects, and quiet revolutions with a global impact. See you in the next video.